G'day cocktail lovers, this is called a Tellico Sour. Well, it's my version of the recipe I found. The original recipe said to make it with a Tennessee whiskey. I think it was actually originally created as a promotion for Jack Daniels, which is not a thing I'm using. My whiskey is an Australian corn whiskey. This is done in the style of Tennessee whiskies or even bourbons, but it's made in Australia, so they certainly can't call it that. It's just a corn whiskey. It's also got a little sherry and a pineapple syrup and bitters and lemon juice. So it's not that far removed from a whiskey sour, but I am quite interested in the byplay between the sherry and the pineapple in particular, along with the usual whiskey sour elements. So I'll give it a taste. That does not disappoint. This is one I think you should try. Here's how we make it. In a shaker, put 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of corn whiskey, and then 2/3 of an ounce or 20 mils of sherry, and 2/3 of an ounce or 20 mils of pineapple sugar syrup, then 1/3 of an ounce or 10 mils of lemon juice, and finally 2 dashes of orange bitters. If you want it to be foamy, you can add egg white, aquafaba, or I'm doing a few drops of Wonderfoam. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for at least 15 or 20 seconds if you want it to be really foamy, and then strain that into a rocks glass over ice. In line with the corn whiskey element in this, the recommended garnish was actually some baby corn or a charred piece of corn. Neither of which I had. Kind of a cute little accoutrement if you want to do that on there, but I think this stands quite well on its own. Really interesting twist on a whiskey sour, an all-time classic. Maybe you'll go for this one too, the Tellico Sour. No, it's a Tellico Cobbler. If you want to try this one yourself, it's the Tellico Cobbler. Give it a go, and I hope to see you again sometime soon. Until I do see you, I hope you take care of yourself, and I do want to see you again. Until I do, I will say cheers.